Alright, so we back. We're gonna continue. This is part 2. Or maybe 3. But it's different. Low rider. Yeah, somebody revving it up. Oh, that car from Missouri over there. The Goldie. See it? Huh? Let's get this scat with the Lambo doors. Swag pack. They SRT powered. Be a beast, drive a beast. 392. Somebody got the drone out. Yeah, it's a good way to get a lot of footage. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, somebody got the drone out. It said check out. Yeah, it said check out the back. This is a 2014.
Like it has some miles to it.
Oh yeah.
It don't look like it's a 6.4.
It's a 6.4.
It's a 6.4. That's why I look different.
6.4 Monster Bill. No, he said the 6.4 Monster Bill coming in 2024.
Oh, okay. So it's not a 6.4.
No.
So it's a 5.7 without the cover
Yep.
on there.
Yep. We got the nitrous in the back. Nitrous bottle on the back. Some man. It's clean. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I got the backup camera put in there. It's clean. I like the paint job on it because it's lower. It's good. Here we go. Go over here. And then, of course you got the Hellcat.
It's in there.
Say what?
It's in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's
It's
no more.
no more room. It's a tight fit. But they got it in there. Hey, that's all that matters though. They got it in there, didn't they? That's all that matters. Gotta lift it. Go over here. Have we been over here? We've been out. Okay, let's head back over here. Let's go back over here. See. Here we go. The vet clean over there, that purple vet. Shoot, they had, huh? GTR. Oh yeah. They getting them all beamed up over there, y'all. Getting them detailed. Shoot. Not out here. I said he's not out here.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, they have to offer some money to come out here. It's all about offering some money to come out here. No, let's see. I'll tell you what. I'm ready to give me something to hit the road here in a minute, y'all. I just came to get some footage, and basically, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's clean. I like this. Yep. It's the V. Chevelle. Get the Chevelle coming through. Watch out, come on. They got that this bird over here for sale. I think I'm gonna grab me something to eat, y'all. We're gonna be wrapping this one up. Alright, holler back at y'all. Alright, y'all. Had to come back, get this Rolls Royce. It's clean too, the Skylark, the Buick Skylark. This is like a paint job. This don't look like a wrap. Pretty sure it's a paint job. Yep. Pretty sure it is. Pretty sure it is. Excuse me. Yeah, it's clean. Alright. Let's see what else we got. Delta 88. They got the food trucks out here. You wanna get something here or you wanna wrap it up and then we get something on the way?
Get something on the way.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna just make my little wham, and then we can go ahead and head that way. Yeah, pretty much we got everything there. Yup. Showing y'all some of the vendors out here. But it's really nice. It's a nice turnout. More people steady coming in. Come on, let's go over here. Let's go over here. And steady got more people showing up. Steady more people coming in, y'all.
I told Rocco's land to go. I fuck on that hoe and I
I like the vet too. The vet clean.
I fuck her whenever I please. You probably would have been getting clean. I'm begging up on my leave. I'm giving her knowledge like these right here. These are my culinary keys. I crack up the car, don't drive. Good bricks for my feet, they be hand on the pedal. Serving that raw like it's kettle. Your bitch about to make me Beretta. I came from the blocks of the central block. The bitch figured out I'm a better. Every time I sit there, I can fire it. It's platinum, your old man I earn it.
Got this at 28.
I say, don't even nervous. One big buzzers are nervous. They can't run me like I'm married. If I truck out with a stick in that show, my mind, I used to tell it Beretta. Now this shit extra, it come with a salary, packing my salary. You ready to scream?